Okay, student. Now we will continue our session with different type of reaction. Okay. So in this different type of reaction, we will learn about the combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, redox reaction. Okay. And at last we will learn about the corrosion and other topic. Okay. So first we will learn about the type of chemical reaction. In that first is we have combination reaction. Okay. So whenever you have to learn about the combination reaction, at that time you must have to remember that something is combined. When reactants are combined to form the new product, then that reaction is called the combination reaction. Okay. Reactants are combined to form the new product, that is called the combination reaction. Now student, you should take care, in chemistry one compound has two names. One name is chemical name and other name is common name. Like my name is Digan, but when I come to home my name is Chetan. Like you, in your case also it is possible. Okay, same way so many chemicals are such that they have two names, common name and second thing is what? Chemical name. Both the names can come in the exam. Means like calcium carbonate is also called the limestone. So it can come as limestone also, or it can come as what? Calcium carbonate. So you have to remember two names. Okay, as we proceed or as I proceed, I will try to tell you the two names of most of the compound. Okay. So first we will start about the combination reaction. Quicklime. Calcium oxide is also called the quicklime. It reacts with the water. It gives calcium hydroxide. Now calcium hydroxide second name is slackline. And this reaction is what? Exothermic reaction. It is produced. Now in this reaction, this type of reaction occur when we apply the whitewash in our home. Okay, at that time you feel that suppose whitewash is applied on the wall, at that time before that the bubbling is started without the heat energy. Okay, so this reaction, in that bubbling is started because of what? Exothermic reaction. Okay, now what happened? Calcium hydroxide slackline. Calcium hydroxide second name is slackline. When we apply on the wall, slackline has no color, but as it reacts with the carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere, carbon dioxide is present in the atmosphere, it makes the calcium carbonate. Okay, it makes the calcium carbonate plus water. Now calcium carbonate has other name, I already discussed, it is also called the limestone. Okay, so all this reaction you can find that reactants are combined to form the product. Here also the reactants are combined to form the product. So this reaction is called the combination reaction. Same way, here we have in the respiration process. Respiration process also, in that combination reaction occur. Combination reaction, in that generally we take the food. In that food most probably glucose is present. This glucose react with oxygen. What we take the breath, in that oxygen is present. This oxygen react with glucose. It make the carbon dioxide, 6 mole of carbon dioxide, 6 mole of water plus energy is produced. So that is the example of respiration reaction. Another good example of combination reaction is carbon. 1 mole of carbon react with 1 mole of oxygen, it produces 1 mole of carbon dioxide. That is also the one example of combination reaction. Now you think that where carbon is available? Carbon is available in the coal, coke, not that coke we drink. Coke means what? A mature form of carbon. Okay, in that carbon is present. Okay. Second reaction, that in that hydrogen, 1 mole of hydrogen gas react with oxygen gas, then it produces the water. Okay, this is the one combination reaction. Two reactants are combined to make the product. Okay, hydrogen plus oxygen, it make the water. So these all are the example of combination reaction, in that reactants are combined to form the products. Okay student, now we are going to learn about the decomposition reaction. Decomposition reactions are two types. One is thermal decomposition and other is what? Electrical decomposition. Thermal decomposition means when the decomposition reaction occur in the presence of heat energy. When we apply the heat, then that type of decomposition is called the thermal decomposition. You can see the triangle. Triangle is a symbol of delta. It indicates the heat energy here. Okay. Second decomposition is called the electrical decomposition. When we break down the molecule, decomposition means we break down the molecule. When we break down the molecule by passing the electric current, that type of reaction is called the electrolytic reaction. What is it called? Electrolytic reaction. Okay. So first we will learn about the decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction means reactants are break down into two or more products. They are called the decomposition reaction. So first here we have so many example of thermal decomposition reaction. Okay. So here we have ferrous sulfate. Okay. 2 mole of ferrous sulfate. When we apply the heat, it produces 1 mole of ferric oxide, 1 mole of sulfur dioxide, and 1 mole of sulfur trioxide. Okay. So one molecule is break down into several molecules. So it is the decomposition reaction. Second example is 2 mole of lead nitrate. Whenever heated, okay, when heat energy is applied, then 2 mole of lead oxide plus 4 mole of nitrogen dioxide plus 1 mole of oxygen gas is obtained. So from the one reactant, different products are obtained. So that is also the example of decomposition reaction including heat. So it is a thermal decomposition reaction. Again we are on here. Calcium carbonate is also called limestone. 1 mole of calcium carbonate heated. When we apply the heat energy, it converts into calcium oxide, that is quicklime. Quicklime is calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide gas. Okay. So this is also example of thermal decomposition reaction. Now we are concentrate on those type of reaction, or which are those type of reaction the decomposition reaction occur by sunlight or light. Okay, we already know light. Light is made up of photon. Okay, light is made up of photon. Photon means what? Packet of energy. So the reaction which will take place by the light, they are called the photolytic decomposition reaction. Whenever you visited chemistry lab, in that chemistry lab you find some compounds are kept in the dark water. Why it kept in the dark water? Because that compound are very sensitive towards the light. Okay. Two main compounds are there, silver chloride and silver bromide or silver nitrate. They all kept in the dark light because we want to stop the reaction. We want to avoid the reaction with the sunlight. Okay. Even before 5 to 10 years in camera, nowadays we have digital camera. Initially we have digital cameras are not there. Before that we have the camera. In that camera, roll was there, and in that roll, when we click, then the image is obtained on the roll. Okay. So what material are used in the roll? Either silver chloride or silver bromide are used. Okay, or silver compounds are used. Photolytic decomposition reaction occur. Okay. So in photolytic decomposition reaction, 2 mole of silver chloride in the presence of sunlight. If we keep in the presence of sunlight, then automatically convert into 2 mole of silver plus 1 mole of chlorine gas. Are you getting? It is an example of photolytic decomposition reaction. Second, silver bromide. 2 mole of silver bromide in the presence of sunlight, it produces 2 mole of silver to solid plus 1 mole of bromine gas. Okay. So it is also example of photolytic decomposition reaction. Okay. Most important thing we are going to learn, that is the electrolysis reaction or electrolytic reaction. Okay. There are two type of reactions are there. One is called electrolysis, electrolytic reaction, or electrochemical reaction. Okay, concentrate here. Electrochemical reaction, in that electricity is produced. I repeat, electrochemical reaction, in that electricity is produced. And electrolytic reaction means in that electricity is what? Consumed. Are you getting? Okay. First of all, we have to learn about the anode and cathode. Anode. Anode means the metal or non-metal on which oxidation reaction occur. Okay. We have to learn about the electrodes. Electrode, in that two electrodes are there, anode and cathode. Anode means the metal or non-metal on which oxidation reaction occur, that is called anode. Now you think that what is oxidation reaction? Oxidation reaction means old definition you already learned that oxidation means addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen. That is, you know about oxidation reaction, but now you have to remember another theory. Oxidation reaction means the reaction in which electrons are generated, electrons are produced, that is called the oxidation reaction. So on anode, the metal or non-metal in which the electric current or electron are produced, they all are called anode. They are all called the oxidation reaction. So on anode, oxidation reaction occur. Now here in water we can see that hydrogen has no electron and oxygen has more electron. Oxygen has more electron, so oxygen can donate the electron, so the oxidation reaction always occur on the anode. Okay? Now we will learn about the cathode. The metal or non-metal on which reduction reaction occur, that is called the cathode. Now old definitions are what? Hydrogen is added, oxygen is removed, but you have to remember the new definition. What is the new definition? The reaction in which electrons are consumed, electrons are used up, that type of reactions are called the reduction reaction. So reduction reaction always occur on the cathode. Now suppose, just check in water who has not electron, hydrogen or oxygen. Whenever you check about the hydrogen and oxygen, hydrogen has not electron, so these two hydrogen gain the two electron and produce hydrogen gas. Okay, so this type of reactions are called the electrolytic reaction, and electrolytic reaction is also included in the what? Decomposition reaction. Okay, so this is all about of today's session. Okay, we will quickly revise. Today we will learn about the combination reaction. Reactants are combined to form the product. Several reactions are there, two names are there for the reactant and product. Second, decomposition reaction. One molecule is break down into different molecules. Three type of reactions are there. Thermal decomposition, because of the heat, the decomposition reaction is thermal decomposition. Because of the light, photon, the reactions are occur, that is called the photolytic decomposition reaction. And third, that is electrolytic decomposition reaction. By passing the electric current, the reaction occur, that is called the electrolytic reaction. Okay, in next session we will learn about the displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, redox reaction. Thank you so much for watching.